Hi, this is Adrian. I'm the creator behind Imprint Press, and in this video, I'm sharing a sneak peek of the making of my very first journal collection. This is the Dancing Maidens journal. It's more of a memory journal, a memory of spring in Central Park. This journal has a hidden binding. The pages are loosely bound with sari silk. You can see how simple and easy this binding method is. If you've seen my previous video, it shows how I made this easy no-sew binding. I love the fact that you can take the pages in and out of this journal, making it easy to remove them and work on. So there you have it. As always, I start with a color palette and swatches to set the mood and tone of the journal. Here's a short flip through of the progress I've made on this journal, and if you have any questions about what kits and supplies I use, please feel free to drop it in the comments.